A light magnitude 3.2 earthquake occurred in the Indian Ocean 98 kilometers, 61 miles from Indonesia late in the evening of Saturday, May 24, 2025 at 11:44 p.m. local time, GMT+7. The quake had a very shallow depth of 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, BMKG after 9 minutes. The earthquake occurred 2 days after a magnitude 3.2 earthquake had hit on Thursday, May 22, 2025, at 11:22 p.m. GMT+7 local time, in 78 kilometers, 48 miles, distance to the north. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May God protect everyone. Amen.